Hello everyone, welcome to the channel AMS MBBS Lectures. As you already know from the title and thumbnail, today's video is about notes. A few of you have been asking for notes in the comments, so I thought I'd address this thing properly. Why notes haven't been uploaded yet? The main reason, honestly speaking, is time, guys. Take care. After planning the content, making the presentations, recording the lecture, editing it, uploading it, and then creating thumbnails for each video, a lot of time actually goes into each video, guys. I'm not complaining at all, but after all this, I genuinely don't have enough time left to separately type or handwrite separate detailed notes for you guys. Okay, so that is the main reason why notes aren't available yet. But what I can do is, if you guys want, then I can share the presentation of each lecture in a PDF format. And if this thing works for you, if this is what you want, then do comment down PPT notes under the comment section of this video. Then um, I will start uploading the PDF version of the PPT for the upcoming sessions, for the upcoming lectures that I will be posting. I will try to provide you the PPT in the PDF format for that particular lecture. Okay. And before ending this session, I want to thank each and every one of you to subscribe to my channel. And very soon we are going to hit 2000 subscribers, guys. So I would request each and every one of you to please subscribe if you haven't already, and do share this channel with your batchmates as well, guys. Take care. And for the next lecture, I'm planning to cover sterilization and disinfection, which is again an important topic for both theory as well as your Viva exams. Okay, so that was all about the update, and I hope you all understand. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and till that time, keep supporting, keep studying. See you all in the sterilization and disinfection lecture. Bye bye.